What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a Little Bit Everything Home Services. Today I'm coming with you with a video for those of you who have issues with your garbage disposal. Now, if you ever walked up to your garbage disposal and you went to turn it on and you heard nothing, it's come down here underneath the sink. First thing, the badge of nearly all garbage disposal have a reset button. Up underneath here, there's a red button. You want to push that red button, and you heard that click. That let you know that it tripped. The garbage disposal actually tripped. So this is the reset button. So that's the first stage. And you turn it on, and you hear that humming noise. You hear that? Get a little closer so you can hear that humming noise. All right, it just clicked again. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back off. I'm going to reset. The reason it's tripping is because the motor's locked up. So I'm going to reset it again. I'm going to take, this is a garbage disposal hex. And I hope it just didn't burn up there. I smell it locked up good there. All right, so you want to stick it inside the hole underneath there. Right here. See how it broke loose? See how it's locked up there? So you want to turn it to break it free. You want to turn it a couple times to get it good and worked out there. And there we go. I just released the trip button again. So let's try this again. Hear that? So that garbage disposal is full. So let's run some water in. So what happened was, and it just tripped again. You hear it humming? Hear it? So it's going to take a couple. And this particular one is really full. And what happened was it filled up and no one turned the garbage disposal on. So therefore, it's continuing to trip until we get it cleared out. So I'm going to break it loose again. And this garbage disposal, I can smell it's starting to go in this last leg. Because I can smell the wine that's burning on it. Okay, so now let's see what's in this garbage disposal causing this havoc. All right, YouTube. So one of the issues that this garbage disposal was having is that it had some items also stuck inside of it was making noise. So it had a bottle top in there and something else stuck in there that I got out. So now, after clearing those obstructions, it's back to running smooth again. But, I mean, it's still going to have to be replaced eventually because I smell the wine is burning up on it. So, it is, the motor's going bad. But, as you can see, this garbage disposal is back working like it should and sounding like it should. Alright, family, I want to thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Have a blessed day.